Why is the Black Hornet Nano so expensive? The Black Hornet Nano, a marvel of modern technology, is designed for military reconnaissance and surveillance. It's small, lightweight, and incredibly precise. This drone's high cost is attributed to cutting-edge components, including miniaturized cameras, advanced materials, and top-notch engineering. Its size and capabilities make it unique. Furthermore, the development and production of this nano drone involves stringent security protocols, research, and rigorous testing, which add to its cost. In the end, the Black Hornet Nano's expense reflects its unmatched quality, precision, and vital role it plays in safeguarding military operations. So, the next time you wonder why the Black Hornet Nano is expensive, remember, precision and security come at a price.